Can you tell me what you're doing?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to
She's playing a soccer game?
Yeah.
Hallie is?
Yeah.
And is it your birthday?
Yeah.
Are you
Happy birthday. A lot.
You're gonna watch it after you have your tea party. Can you show me your tea party first? Will you sit down and pour some tea for me and for Grandma and for you and your baby?
Yummy.
Thank you. Where did my cup go? Is this my cup?
No, this is the cup.
This is my cup?
Yeah.
Will you put some tea in there for me?
Do you have some cream for Mommy?
You want to put some cream in my cup too, please? What do we do after we put the cream in there?
I put the cream in there.
Then will you stir it up? Do you think it looks delicious now?
I got this. What's that?
Here it is.
It's what?
I had dinner.
We have dinner.
You're welcome. Can you sing your teapot song?
Happy birthday to you,
Is it I'm a Little Teapot?
Yeah.
How does it go?
I'm a little teapot, short and stout.
Teapot.
Where's my handle? Okay. Thank you. Can you sing two little?
Happy birthday to you, Bingo.
Happy birthday to you, Bingo. How does Bingo go? Can you sing Bingo?
Oh, that's how you blow your birthday candles out.
Yeah.
Good job.
Was Bingo was his name-o?
Yeah.
How does it go? Can you do head, shoulders, knees, and toes?
Head, knees, and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Something in your mouth? I'll take it. Okay, got it.
Take this.
Can you tell Mommy two little blackbirds?
Two little blackbirds.
Woo! Timber!
Hop up.
What about two little blackbirds?
Yeah.
Here.
Sitting on the hill.
Named Jack.
And one named
Yeah.
Fly Away.
Fly away, Jack. Fly away, dear.
And then come back. Jack, come back, Jill. Can you do, hey, Hallie, 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, Hallie, what did the doctor say? The doctor said?
No more monkeys around face.
That's right. Like this? No more monkeys. Can you do it?
No more monkeys around face.
That's right.
This is cream.
Yeah, that's cream.
Mhm.
Good job.
You putting some cream in there? Does that cream make it taste yummy? What does that paper say?
Happy birthday to
Happy birthday to you,
the Griffin.
Griffin?
Yeah.
It does.
Happy birthday to the Bingo Mommy.
Happy birthday to you, Bingo Mommy?
Yeah.
All right. Hallie, how old are you now?
He said this. He said this.
That's what Bingo says?
Yeah.
He says woof?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He said this. Already.
All the day?
Hey, when Grandma puts her glasses on, what does she say? Does she say, better to see you with, my dear?
She said, "That's my dear."
Yeah. Will you put your shirt down, please?
No.
You silly girl. What do I see? What is that?
Belly.
Are you a silly girl?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I said she looks like she's got Michael's belly.
Yeah. Do you have a belly like Michael? Oh, you have a bubble coming out your nose.
Here, Hallie,
Let Grandma wipe your nose. Oh, you can wipe your nose.
can you wipe your nose? Do you need some help? I'll help you.
Okay, look at me.
You got a hippo?
Hallie, can you turn around and blow Daddy a kiss and say, I love you, Daddy? Just stand right there and do it. Say, blow a kiss. Can you say, I love you, Daddy?
I love you, Dad.
Aww.